izulu liphakathi kwabantu. Ake siphile njengabantu abasezulwini. Ake siyeke ukulinda ifuture. uNkulunkulu ufuna ibandla libuse manje, libe lidominate manje, hayi kwi-future. Hallelujah. Hayi kwi-future. Yiyo lento yenza ukuthi abantu bashaywe isitha, balindele ukubusa kwi-future. Kanti uNkulunkulu uthi sibusa manje. Uthi uNkulunkulu yima kumele sibe nedominant, ngoba uSathane wanqotshwa 2026 years ago. uSathane akanamandla, uNkulunkulu uphethe, ibandla liyabusa. Therefore let us manifest our dominion. Let us manifest our authority as the church. The church is not defined by politics. The church is not defined by religious activities. The church is not defined by economy. The church is not defined by religion, but the church is defined by the revelation of Christ. Kanti uthini uJesu makekhuluma kuMatthew chapter number 16, uthi uJesu, I shall build my church and the gates of hate they shall not prevail against it. Ngizomemezela ukuthi amasango eHadesi ahluleka. Wayethi uyamvimba uJesu ukuthi angavuki, kodwa uJesu wavuka. Ibandla is a legislative assembly. Ibandla is the ecclesia of God. Ibandla is the authority of God, is the wisdom of God. Ibandla is the power force of God here on earth. Ibandla is the dunamis of God. Why is it determined by politics? Why is it determined by religion? Why is it determined by economy? Njengamanje sidetermined by imali.